I'm the voice, and this is a community-produced video on how to encrypt your Divi Smart Node wallet. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your terminal application. And once that is open, we're going to go ahead and use a new alias command. And that alias command is DLI. And then we are going to encrypt the wallet with encrypt wallet. That's the command we're going to use. However, if you forget any commands, you can very simply type in help, so DLI help, and they will show you all the commands we will talk about in these videos. So let's go ahead and clear this back out. We're going to enter in DLI encrypt wallet, and then we're going to give it a really hard password. Let's go ahead and type that in, hard password. And when I enter this, I'm going to go ahead and show you really quick what's going to happen. Since the daemon is running in the background, it's outputting all of its communications with the blockchain and everything it's storing right here. When I issue this command, what's going to happen is this is going to move really fast, and then it's going to show shutdown right at the end. So it's going to encrypt the wallet using my really hard password right here. So let's go ahead and hit enter. And oops, you didn't see it because it scrolled down. There we go. All right, so you can see it went through all of this. It cleaned everything up. It wrote and encrypted the wallet, and then it shut down right here. So let's go ahead and now we will restart the wallet. So since the wallet is shut down, that's the Divi server stopping. We can see it shut down right here. So once it's encrypted, it stops, but we need to start it. We can't do anything with a stopped wallet. In fact, if I issue a command like DLI help again, it gives me it could not connect to server. So we're going to go ahead and issue the command to start it, and it's another super simple alias command. That's divi, D-I-V-I, start. So once I enter in divi start, it's going to go ahead and say divi daemon starting. You'll see it down below. It'll start running. And there we go. Now, just like I got this error code here when the daemon wasn't running, if while the daemon is loading the block index and I try to issue commands too fast, DLI help, it says error code loading block index. That's not an error. That's just a message that says, hey, I got started too fast. I'm trying to wake up. Just give me a second and we'll go ahead and get moving here. So I'm going to go ahead and wait maybe about 15 more seconds. Oh, not even that. There we go. It's already running. So we're going to go ahead and use our DLI alias again. So DLI. Now, if I wanted to open or unlock the wallet, I would go ahead and enter DLI wallet passphrase. Really hard password. Okay, now here's where it gets a little bit tricky. If you want to unlock it completely, like if you were going to send some Divi out, you'd need to unlock it fully, but maybe you wouldn't want to unlock it forever. So whatever number you put here besides 0, 0 means forever, you can put in any amount for seconds. So you could enter, let's say 9 nines if you wanted to. But that would be years, right? So we don't want to unlock it for years. If I just want to send you some quick Divi, I might want to unlock it for 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and enter 300. And then right after that, this is where we would unlock it fully or we would unlock it only for staking. So if I want to unlock it fully, I would say false. That means I'm not unlocking it for staking. So this is what I'm going to do, but I'm going to show you just in case the staking would be 0 or 9 nines and then true. So that would unlock it for staking if I actually had coins in this wallet right now. So let's go ahead and go back. We're going to say 300, say false, and I'm going to hit enter. Now, if there was an error in anything I would do, it'd output the error. But I'm not going to have an error, so it's just going to drop me to the next command prompt. And there we go. So now the wallet is unlocked for 5 minutes. Now I could send Divi out if I had Divi, or I could go ahead and create new addresses and move things around. I could do all sorts of things with the wallet now, like create a master node, right? I could allocate funds. I could do all those things I would need to do if it was unlocked. I would probably unlock it for longer than 5 minutes, but that's how you start the wallet. That's how you unlock the wallet completely. And then here, let's go ahead and lock the wallet really quick, and then I'll unlock it for staking just so you can see it. So we'll say DLI wallet lock. Again, all of these commands are available. You can see them by using DLI space help. It will show you those commands. So if I hit this, it's just going to drop me back to a command prompt again. And there we go. Now the wallet is locked. But I want to go ahead and unlock it for staking. Wallet passphrase. Really hard password. I would say 0, or again, 9 nines, and then true. And now that is completely unlocked for staking only. I can't allocate funds for a masternode. I can't send coins out of this wallet. It's just completely unlocked for staking. So those are your two methods. One encrypts the wallet, right? So once we encrypt the wallet, we need to restart the Divi daemon, and we can use our shortcodes, and we can use divistart, and that will start it up. If we go too fast, it will show us an error code loading block index. But once we've got it unlocked, we can unlock it for sending funds out or allocating funds. We can use the false, append everything with false after we have our time. Or if we want to lock the wallet again, we would just enter into the terminal. We would use our alias DLI, and we would say wallet lock. And then if we wanted to unlock it for staking and just walk away from it, we would enter DLI wallet passphrase, really hard password, whatever your password you're going to give it, and then 0 and then true. And that's all you need to do to encrypt and lock and then unlock your wallet. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this show. If you have any other questions, you may visit with us in Telegram Divi support, find out more about Divi on the Divi Project Telegram group, or visit with us at the forum.diviproject.org.